In this video, I will show you the paid traffic website I use. Right, so in here, I use, I call it the 7 paid ninja traffic. So traffic source number 1, this is classified ads. Okay, all you need to do is just click here, click that button. This is the one I use. I buy traffic in here for 1 year. For 1 year, it gives me traffic for at least, classified posting service, adds 2,000 website exposure, 2,000 potential customer. So yeah, and as you can see here, your ad posted to 1,000 classified ads monthly. So it's really nice. Your ad submitted daily, so that your ad goes to the top category. So of course, even though I'm doing submitting on classified ads, right, for free, I need to use also money to work for me. So if you are busy right now and you are working and, this is good for you. Use your money to work for you, right? We are here in business. So in this, we have 39 point per month. So plus 10, so 49 one time. It is monthly if you want monthly. But if you want to quarterly, so $77. And this one time, 197, this is the one I bought. It is submitting 1,000 classified every month, right, for 1 year. So it's up to you, right? So my advice for you, use some of your money to make ads for you. Same this one, right? So in here, so the other traffic I use, as of now, this one, also the traffic number 2. I will give you a tour on this. So thousands of people advertise on this traffic site, okay? So we call it Hercules. Call it Hercules, okay? So you need to sign up. It's free to sign up in here. Me, I'm already signed up here and I am a gold member. Okay? So as you can see in here, I said, highly recommended to upgrade to lifetime gold member because you can send ads every single day. So I will show you inside. So that's my login details. Now it's success. So when you come here inside, since this is a lot of this site, if people are buying traffic in here, so it's up to you. When you are here, a lot of advertisement here. All you need to do, right? If you are a member already, go here, Hercules members. Hercules members. So you need to close this one because here a lot of advertisement like what I told you. You click here, submit ads. If you are already gold member, you can submit ads every single day. Okay? And I will show you this one. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, close this one. This is ads also, as you can see in here. Discover how moms are ditching 9 to 5. This is our daily pay blueprint. So now someone making ads here. Okay, this guy Charles Aki. So close. This one is also very good if you want this, but we don't need. This is for video tutorial purposes. So close. Okay. This is what I told you. You will click this one to be a lifetime member. Lifetime member. So when you're a lifetime member, you can submit daily or hourly email. Okay. And the other traffic, this one, you will click this one, lifetime. It's $49. And that traffic, I can endorse to you, or sorry, I can introduce to you. It's this one. I use this traffic bomb, right? Because it's include 3-hour iBlast, 22,000 buyer list, 3,000 prime ads exposure, 4 mega mail submission, 20 smartly submission, 10 blarts, right? For $39 only. You can click this one. But me, I'm using always this one, double, $69. But if you have just 39, you can order 39. If you want half traffic, so 25. For me, I use $69. So it doubles everything, okay? So also, what I will show you about the ads. Since I am a gold member, you can submit daily. Every single day, it's like you have 88,000, right? List every single day, and you will send an email to them. So yeah, as you can see, another advertisement. So from our daily pay blueprint, you can click this one. So early submission Hercules continue to mailer. Okay. They said we can submit mail every single hour. Is that really awesome? Okay. Right? In here, right? Regular email. You can send daily or you can submit early. As you can see, you just put the subject line here, like this one, 43,000 in 4 months. You put your this one, daily pay success na tayo, daily pay blueprint. This is our email, this is our website. So it's up to you what website you use. Me, my new website is dailypay with alan.com. Then you will write ads in here. Okay, I will write ads below this video, right? Below this video, I will write ads. So yeah, and then submit. This is hourly, right? Every single hour you can mail. How many person or how many members inside this, Hercules? It's like minimum 88,000 already list, and you can send every single day. Okay, that is traffic number 2. And traffic number 3, so just click this one if you create, and this is also good. It's a text blast, but a little bit expensive. Pay-per-view also, you can, it's very good also. And drop card marketing, this is only for the USA. Post notification is a good traffic also if you want a fast result. And this one, just the solo ads, it's expensive traffic, right? If you have some budget, you need to try this one. Okay? And below this video, I have also another video, another platform in which you can buy paid traffic. Okay? And that's it for this video.